Hi, I'm Luca from Echidna Sewing. Today we are looking at the brother cording foot available on most brother machines. This foot is used to embellish clothing with decorative cord or thread. To attach this foot, lower the presser foot onto the alignment bar. The suggested stitches to use with this foot are the zigzag stitch, stretch zigzag, or a decorative satin stitch. Before sewing, you must thread your cording through the black guide on top of the foot. If you are using one cord, align it with either the farthest right position or the center. If you are using 2 or 3 cords, make sure they are not tangled on top or below the foot. In either case, ensure the cords are sitting in their respective grooves on the underside of the foot. Set your stitch width to a slightly wider than the total width of the cording you are using. You can check this by using your hand wheel. When sewing, ensure the cords do not get trampled underneath the front of the foot. And that's how you use your cording foot.